Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing well. So today I want to talk about malicious envy vs inspiration envy. That's how I call them. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you have suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I will read everything and respond to you as soon as possible. I want to talk about envy in general and to distinguish two kinds of envy. But first, I want to make the difference between jealousy and envy. So, from what I've learned from Brené Brown and Marie Forleo, jealousy is the fear of losing something or somebody you have to another person, while envy is actually wanting something you don't have that somebody has. So it's kind of contrary, say. From what I've seen, there are two kinds of envies. The two kinds of envy. What do you say? So you have the envy that is malicious, which means people, they see you with something, they see you successful, they see you, for example, they see the celebrities and they want that what the celebrities have, or a person wants what the other person has. And because they feel kind of powerless, they're gonna wish and do everything they can for that person to not have that thing anymore. So they're gonna wish the celebrity to no longer be famous and have the money and the hotels, the houses and everything. They're gonna wish that, and because even if they wish, it's not gonna take all that away from the celebrity. So they're gonna go online and they just say bad things to that person because they feel they can't do anything else. What you hear, the haters, the trolls, all that. In reality, these people, they want what the person has, but because they don't see a way to get that, so it's better to just diss the person, insult them, and it's easier and they feel better about themselves. But it's actually something that doesn't work, because you're gonna feel better for a few seconds, but you go back to your life and your life is still there. So that was what I call malicious envy. So the other kind is inspirational envy. In my case, for example, I really admire Beyonce, or even Rihanna. Let's take Rihanna's example. So Rihanna just became a billionaire in 2021, and what I really admire in her is she took that risk to build the makeup business. She took the risk to build the lingerie business. Not everybody will do that. She was successful with her music. She could have just stopped there and continue to make songs and things like that, but she followed her heart. She likes makeup, she likes fashion, so she just followed the dream she had in her heart. I want to be one of those who create that kind of things. And it's a big risk for her. If she had failed, the media would say stuff, people would make fun of her and everything, but she just followed her heart. And that's why I admire her, one of the reasons, let's say. But if I was on the other side, with the malicious envy, I would be really mad. Oh, why does she have this while I just have what I have, But instead, I'm like, wow, this is somebody who has built something extraordinary, and now she's a billionaire because of that. I don't think she wanted to be a billionaire, or maybe I don't know because I don't know her. But I think being a billionaire is the consequence of what she has done before, which is following her heart to create this makeup business, Fenty Beauty, and the Savage lingerie line. She followed her heart, and now because of that, she became a billionaire. And I think it's just the beginning. So I admire this. In a sense, we can say I envy her, but I envy her in the sense of I am inspired by her, and she gives me the strength to go and follow my own dreams and to create something that is dear to my heart. Maybe one day I will become a billionaire. Who knows? It's not impossible. But just to say that she is an inspiration. She is not, I don't see her as somebody I'm really mad, why does she have this? And that's what I call the inspirational envy. Many people, if they could listen to what is inside, they would just discover that it's not about the person who has things. It's about the fact that you actually want what they have, and this should be your step number one. And like Marie Forleo said, you should thank them for showing you what you want, because before you didn't know you wanted to be, I don't know, a billionaire, or you didn't know you wanted to build a makeup business. You didn't know you wanted to be a singer like Beyonce. I started to talk about her in the beginning. You didn't know you wanted to be an actor. You didn't know you wanted to, I don't know, be a hairstylist, an entrepreneur, or ice cream maker. You didn't know that. But because you saw that person being successful at it and doing it, now you have a clue that, oh, maybe this is a place where I want to go. Maybe this is something that I would love to do in my life and enjoy it. So instead of being mad at the person and wishing them hell, you should take the time and say, thank you for showing me the way. Thank you for inspiring me and showing me that, oh, it's possible to do that. And this is something that I want to do. So, in your situation, do you remember an example of, do you remember a situation where you had that uncomfortable feeling? And can you distinguish which kind of envy it was? And if you remember a situation like that, do you remember what you did? You don't need to be ashamed of that. What is important is to be aware of what's going on. So yeah, let's just pay attention. Let's just be aware, because we're going to meet many people in the future, and many will inspire us. So let's just make sure we don't hate them. And let's just focus on being inspired by them and thanking them for showing us the way. So that was it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it helpful. If you have suggestions and questions, please leave them in the comments section, and I will read them and get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, I will see you next week. Bye.